Loading on the roof can get tricky, but Yakima Accessories give you options. Now, let's talk about those options. Whether it's a kayak, surfboard, skis, or bike, start by checking that your crossbars are secure. Hey, how's it going up there?
Looks pretty good.
For the plastic fairings, you don't even need a tool.
Cool, thanks.
Some spare change will do. Now, if you want to load a bike, the front loader is perfect. Start by loosening the clamps. Then mount the rack into position and tighten the front clamp, followed by the rear clamp, securing the T-bolt as you're doing it. Just like that, you're ready to carry a bike. Let's give him a boost, shall we? Way to step it up. When you roll the bike in place, the small hoop will come up. Tighten to secure it, then strap the back wheel in to finish up. If you'd rather paddle than pedal, go for the J-Lo. To install the mounts, extend the arm and lock down the lever. Place the cradles on the passenger side, then hand tighten, making sure the knobs land horizontally. Now you're kayak ready. When loading, you could put your back into it like this. But let's be a bit more savvy. Place the carpeted floor mat on the roof. And life gets a lot easier for you and your car. Now let's secure it. Once you loop the strap through the arm, run it over the top, under the crossbar, and up to meet the buckle. Tighten and repeat on the front cradle. Next is the stern. Tie the short strap to the kayak with a simple loop. The long strap runs from the cam buckle to the bumper, attaching below with a hook. Tighten, then do it again for the bow. There we go. The only place that kayak is going is in the water. Now that you know how to carry, there's so much more you can do. Keep watching for more how-tos. And visit the accessory store online to raise the roof on your adventures.